here's a fresh shot of my little colonial field. Got a plow on, and it's been pretty good to us. But see if I can, that's where we're going, way back there. We're gonna dig through some trash, try and find some goodies. Okay, I'm walking out to the drop zone of this field, and as I get closer to it, tons and tons and tons of trash. It's I got a very decent hit, and trying to show it to you, just popped it out. And she's toast, but she's a large scent. And maybe we can clean her up, get a date. I'm not sure about that, but we'll see. Back soon. I'm going to show you about 5 feet from the last target. That's the sound I like to hear. Whether or not you can see it on the screen or not, I'm not sure, but it's in the 1240s. And generally that's a coin. It can be something else, but let's dig her up and see what we got. She's out. I'm not sure, you can see her. I'm not sure what these things are. I found a few of them. I've actually found a few in this field. I'm not sure if they're leaded copper clothesline pins, if they're a type of lynch pin. It's a split pin, and it bends out very easily. It's definitely old. It's probably a 19th century piece, but real cool. Back soon. Okay, I reached my destination. There's the Detect America mobile way out there in the distance. Anyway, this is the area that we all dread. This is called the drop. And this is where the plow will make his turn, and all the debris that he may have picked up along the way will get dropped in this area. And literally, I can't even swing the detector without it just blasting your eardrums with all kinds of stuff. So we're going to try and discriminate out some of the big stuff, some of the junk. The field's been good to me, which means it's got to be good to me here too, because everything gets drawn here. It's just real difficult to dig with all the crap in the ground. But let's see what we can find. In addition, the owner just came up and said that I'm more than welcome to venture into here. He said they've been working on it for forestry department, and they've found some beautiful clearings, and they're not sure, but maybe a foundation. So we're going to work this a little bit, and if I have time, we're going to hit in the woods. I apologize for not filming this target from the beginning, but honestly, thought we had a big pile of trash. On the CTX, I started off with 4 individual targets on the screen. As I broke the ground, ultimately there were 6 targets. And I can't quite tell if you can see what I'm showing you, but there is the fill cap from a oil lamp, 22 long rifle shell, 1, 2, 3 pieces of tin can, and this would be a heart-shaped silver half real. God, I love this hobby. Okay, just hit on a good target, and I figure we'll be popping some good stuff, so I better show it from the beginning here. Okay, give me a second, we'll be back. Just roll the scoop out of the ground. It was reading 3 inches. And that is some kind of coin. That or button. No, that would be a cob. That is some type of probably a copper cob. It's black. It could be a silver cob. I can't focus in. I can see the markings on the back. We are scoring here today. Little section, trashy area that I really never dug because there was so much trash. And well, hell, we've been nailing it. I'll clean her up, and when I do the video, show you guys what it is. Back soon. Okay, guys, it was a solid 12:30, but weak. And lo and behold, I think I got a Carol is half real. Nah. Looks like a woman's head on it. Not sure. I'm sure it's silver, but that's about it. We'll clean her up and check her out. Back soon. Okay, I'm running out of time. The temperature's dropped here, probably 20 degrees in the last hour. So I can't believe I gotta say goodbye to this field until the snow melts. Probably one of my best days ever here. Just an awesome day. Talk soon.